Hello students, welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 4. Name of the chapter is perimeter, area and volume. And it is our lecture number 1. Today's subtopics are Introduction to perimeter, and to find the perimeter of rectilinear figures. We will do let's rewind exercise. Question 1. A part. Question number 2. A and B parts. And exercise 4A. Question 1. A part. 2. A part. And 3. A part. Now let's start with our first topic, perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around a figure. Is called the perimeter of the figure. The total distance around a figure is called the perimeter of the figure. Thus, the sum of lengths of all sides is the perimeter of the figure. Understood? When we will do sum of lengths of all the sides of the given figure, that is known as perimeter of the figure. And in mathematical form, it is defined as the total distance around a figure is called the perimeter of the figure. Got it? Now look here. Perimeter of a triangle. It is a triangle named as ABC. So perimeter of the triangle is sum of lengths of all the sides, means AB plus BC plus CA. Understood? When we will do addition of all the sides, then we will get the perimeter. Now, perimeter of a rectangle. This is the rectangle ABCD. To find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD, we will do sum of lengths of all the sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now, we know that AB and CD have the equal length. So, we can write down AB plus BC plus AB plus CB, because BC is also same as AD, or we can say DA. Understood? Opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. So, we can write down 2AB plus 2BC means 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So, it will become 2 multiply length plus breadth, 2 multiply bracket, length plus breadth, bracket close. The meaning of bracket is here that we are taking 2 lengths and 2 breadths, L plus B plus L plus B. So, the formula is 2 multiply bracket length plus breadth, bracket close. This is the formula for finding out the perimeter of a rectangle. Now the next rectilinear figure is square. Perimeter of a square. A square has 4 sides having equal length. AB, CD is the square. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA will give the perimeter. And we know that BC has the equal length as AB, CD has equal length as AB, DA has equal length as AB. So we can write down perimeter of square ABCD is equal to AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. That is 4 multiply AB. 4 multiply AB means 4 multiply side. So this is the derivation. Okay. Formula for finding out perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. Because all the sides have equal length. Understood? So we have got 3 formulas. Perimeter of a triangle. You can write down the spelling also, or you can make the symbol. Perimeter is sum of lengths of 3 sides. Perimeter of a rectangle. Two bracket length plus breadth, bracket close, or 2 bracket L plus B, bracket close. And perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. Got it? Now let's rewind exercise. We have the first question. Find the perimeter of the following figures. These are irregular figures in which measurement of the length is given to us. We have to do simple addition because the formulas are not for these irregular figures. Okay, so we can start from from any side, but don't take it 2 times. Be careful. Like we are going to start from here. 2 centimeter, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 3, 29, 29 plus 3, 32. So perimeter of this figure is 32 centimeter. In this way you will find out the perimeter for B and C part. Now we will start exercise 4A. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the square in which side is 9 centimeter. Now you know what is the formula for finding out the perimeter. First of all, write down side of a square. 9 centimeter. Perimeter of a square. Is equal to 4 multiply side. So it will become 4 multiply 9 centimeter. 4 9s are 36. So perimeter of the square is 36 centimeter. It will be your answer. Now question number 2. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose A part we are doing. So whose length is given to us 5 centimeter and breadth is given 4 centimeter. Now write down the given terms first. Length, in short you can write down as it is given in your question. Length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. Is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth bracket close. If you are putting multiply sign, that is also okay. अगर आप multiply sign नहीं लगाते हैं, bracket means automatically multiply, right? Now 2 bracket 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, because length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. 2 multiply 5 plus 4, 9 centimeter. 2 9s are 18. So perimeter of rectangle is 18 centimeter. Next question is question number 3. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are A part we are doing. So for A part the sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Write down the solution. Sides of a triangle 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. You can write down together as it is given in the question. Now perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of lengths of 3 sides. So perimeter will become 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle is 12 centimeter. In this way you will write down the formula, put the value and find the total. Unit should be written carefully. Now we will study about area. The area of a closed figure is the surface covered by it. मीन्स किसी भी क्लोज फिगर में जितना सरफेस कवर होगा दैट इज नोन एज एरिया एंड इट इज मेजर्ड इन स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. Brief description I am going to give you because we will do the question of let's rewind exercise. The detail we will do in next lecture. Look here, question number 2 of let's rewind exercise, which is based on your previous knowledge. Okay, now we have to find out the area of these given figures, and in these, while calculating the area of such shapes, always count the full square first. Okay, any part which is more than half can be counted as 1, and we have to leave out the parts which are less than half. In this way we will find out the area. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now half and half, this will make 1, so number will be 7. Half and half will make 1, so the number will become 8 for this. And half will become 1 and its number will become 9. So there are 9 square units. Right? Now in B part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is not needed to write down. I am writing to explain you. 20 square units. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do question 1, B and C parts. And question 2, C to F parts. Of let's rewind exercise. And question 4. A to F parts. Of exercise 4A in book. These all the questions are based on perimeter and area, and you have to solve in book. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.